Hey guys, this is David with Great Choice Audio Video, and today we have something special. We have the JL Audio amplifier for their subwoofers. This is for the in-wall 8-inch speakers. This is their 600-watt amplifier, and in the past videos you guys have seen, we did a theater room just recently with a pair of dual 8-inch enclosures. And so that's what this is for as well. JL Audio, unfortunately, is back ordered right now as far as all the enclosures and subs, but yet they send out everything first. They send us the grills for the two enclosures we have coming for another theater room that we're working on, and then of course they sent the amplifier. So I figured I'd do a separate video for you guys just to show you how special and different this amplifier is, because there's several in-wall subwoofers on the market, and we have heard a lot of different in-wall subs over the years. And let me tell you, JL Audio definitely has something special. They have a phenomenal installation, finished result, finished product, and performance. They were right. We were not believers, to be honest with you guys. At the very beginning, we took on JL Audio quite some time ago, as far as their in-wall subs and how they could actually sound like a box style subs, because we all know box style subs can produce a good amount of bass depending on the brand and quality and things of that nature. So we did a pair of in-wall subs in a theater room that we were just blown away. So we have several installations coming up actually that all have JL Audio in-wall subs. So anyway, without further ado, let's go over the amplifier. It's a 600-watt amplifier. This will drive two of their 8-inch Fathom in-wall subs. So it comes with rack ears built onto the front. So assuming you're going to rack mount this, which I would assume most of the time you guys would, but if you're not, it actually does come with separately some nice rubber feet that will go underneath it with some screws to screw it in underneath. So just in case you guys don't have a rack and you're just placing it on a shelf or something like that. But it also comes, here's what's really cool, that I really like, is that these connectors from Trick. And the way it works is, so you run your 2-conductor to your sub, so you run your 14-gauge 2-conductor to your subs. You bring your 2-conductor into the home run or wherever you're going to put this amplifier. And I don't know if you see that, guys, but there's 2 terminals, and so it's a super nice, clean fit and finish. But it also has better grounding, better connection. It's not going to pull out. So what you'll do is you'll run it comes with these 3 pieces. You can see that, guys. And this piece here goes down inside this little blue part. So you'll run your speaker wire through here, and then you'll make your connection here for your positive and your negative. And then this part will screw on. Well, as you screw it on here, as you can hear it clicking, I don't know if you can hear that or not, but this bottom little grommet tightens up more and more and more as you screw it. So it's tightening around whatever size jacketed wire you have. And then here is the connector on the other side. And so that connector, it's almost like a BNC connector, but it's not. But you'll screw this in all the way, and then you'll push this in to the back of the unit. Let me show that to you guys real fast. Here, I'll unplug it for the time being. So here are for your subs. So one sub will go to one sub will go to the other. So it's got this special connector that goes in and twists, and it locks. Will not come out. So super awesome connection. Nice, firm, secure So you just pull this back and that pulls out. But man, that's, I don't know why I just like that so much, but the first speaker connection I've seen that's this secure, and it comes with these. So it comes with a pair for 2 subs. So since I got this bad boy turned around, let's look at the back. So you can see that, guys. It's like 14 pounds. So this little amplifier has a little bit of weight to it. But in the back here, you get your line input, and then you get your high pass output, high level inputs, and then you have your wireless JLink port. So what that's for, guys, is do a wireless subwoofer that's to transmit. So let's say you need to transmit back to where the equipment is, and this needs to be closer or right where your sub is. So they make a JLink transmit receiver that can plug into here, and that receiver works up to, I believe, 100 feet. And of course, there's where your subs would plug into, and then you have 12-volt trigger if you like, and then of course you have power. And then turn it on to the front. Pretty simple on the front. You get your power on, off, and auto. And then you do have some simple controls on the front. So you can navigate for some manual adjustments, and I'll go through the menu here in a second. And then of course you have USB for updates, and then you have the mic. Now, what's important about that mic, and we actually ordered a calibration mic because we put in several of these units. So it does room optimization at a whole different level. JL Audio's got their own patented technology through their calibration mic, which is super nice, and will optimize the room to the amplifier, and it's got an 18 band EQ to really utilize and change up the presets to make sure that the sub sounds its very best, because it's not always the subs aren't always placed in the most perfect locations. So through the calibration software, and there's no computer that you have to hook up. It's literally you plug in the mic here, go through a series of steps, and we'll do a separate video for you guys to show you how that works once that comes in and we start doing that. Plus we're also going to show you the installation of the subs going into another home that we have coming up. We're actually retroing those in, so it's going to be a huge mess because we're going to have to cut up on the walls and put these big enclosures in, but we'll walk you guys through that and show you in another video hopefully soon. But yeah, I just want to show you this super cool amplifier. Let me go and plug this thing back in. I don't know if you'll be able to see or not, probably not, but it just has basic controls to the front. You know, allows you to go in and change the gain. You can go in and change several different settings. So you have gain plus or minus. You have polarity. You can change the polarity, change your delays, change your crossovers, and change your EQs. Just basically all those little things right there, right off the home page. But again, doing the calibration mic, you don't have to go through any of that. You just simply hook up the mic and go through the whole calibration software. So, super excited to get another one going. Again, this amplifier is completely different than a lot of other amplifiers we've dealt with in the past for subs. And what makes JL Audio special is because this is a Class D amp, and they just have their own patent technology on making this amp even better and more responsive to give it much better performance than your typical Class D amplifier. So there's no question that JL Audio knows what they're doing when it comes to subwoofers and their amplifiers. So guys, can't wait to show you more. We have lots of cool products coming up with JL Audio as well with their subs. A bunch of in-wall subs going in here in the very, very near future. So stay tuned. If you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our videos. We're getting these out as quickly as we can. We try to maintain at least 2 a week if possible. So we just have tons of products we're working on, and hopefully get that content to you guys. So if you guys have any questions, comments, leave them in down below. Love hearing from you guys. So until next time, we'll see you on the next one. See ya.